So we've got our first caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Aishwarya from Kadlur.
Aishwarya from Kadalur.
Yeah.
Aishwarya, speaking about Kadalur,
Uh,
there is a person here who is like, very pretty.
yeah, I know the sizzling siren of South.
The sizzling siren of the south.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to say hello?
Yeah.
So say hello.
So, hello, Namita ma'am.
Hi Ash, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
I'm fine.
And how old are you?
I'm 14 years.
Okay.
Oh my god.
14 years old and you know the meaning of sizzling siren?
That's what.
Yeah.
But nowadays kids are very, very grown up and mature, right Ash?
Yeah.
So your vacations or your still exams going on?
No, I'm free now. My exams would start only on 25th.
Oh,
Okay.
21st, this 21st.
25th.
Or 25th, after like a week?
Yeah.
And you're chilling? Oh my god.
Namita and I
I
wouldn't have been
don't
chilling
worry
by now. We
about
would have
that.
finished biting up our nails.
Ayyo. See, I already did.
All
I
of
already
us.
did.
Okay, but Ash, you have a question you want to ask?
Yeah, I'm having 3 questions.
Super.
Yes.
Yeah, I know that you like tennis and seafood very much.
Yes.
But I want to know which hero do you like the most in dance.
Dance.
Yeah.
Choose wisely.
Rajnikant sir, the best. Dance and style, all.
Okay.
And besides him, I think Shimbu is fantastic dancer.
Yeah, you're escaping from my question, you know. This is the right answer and you're escaping from okay. The
Next.
next question. Which film you have thought that you would have done the role?
Better.
In which role you would have thought I should have done that role, you know?
Oh, anybody else's film?
Any film.
Any film.
Internationally,
I
Indian.
really like Kamal Hassan sir and Sridevi's one film where Sridevi is mentally disturbed, retarded.
Yeah.
Mundra something.
Yeah.
Mundra-
Very cute of your answer.
Mundrampir.
Mundram
Pirai.
Okay.
Ada character எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு and I'm looking forward to do that. If I become a producer, I'm going to direct my own self and I'll do that character
Yeah, very good.
because it suits me.
Okay, the next question. If God gives you a remote control for the industry of Tamil cinema, which would you choose? The past, present or the future?
The past, of course. Nothing like they say old is gold, so that's what I believe in. Past,
Okay, and
definitely
a compliment
past.
for you, Namita ma'am. You speak Tamil so well.
Thank you so much.
Your Tamil is so cute, you know.
Thank you.
Ashu.
Actually, your cute smile, I like a cute smile.
Okay, Ashu, you're from Kadalur. Stop Kadalapodifying. Now you want to dedicate a song
Craig
to
is
it.
very jealous of you.
I'm very jealous of you.
And want to ask you, Craig.
Okay.
I was always wondering why did you say to everybody, hi Macha, and now I came to know the answer for that.
Why?
Because Namita ma'am used to say everybody, hi Macha.
Yes, he's. Oh, you're copying me.
I'm not copying.
I
this
have
is
a competition
copied in
with the
7 years.
beard.
Not happening. Okay,
And
Ashu.
I'm proud to be a girl because Namita ma'am is also a girl.
Clap
Yes.
at this. What? Sentimental. We've got our second caller now. Hello.
ஹலோ கிரேக் மச்சான்
Mapla.
மாப்பிள்ள எப்படி இருக்க மாப்பிள்ள
போயிட்டு இருக்கேன் மச்சா. What is your name?
பிரபு
Prabhu.
spoken to you na
Yeah, I remember.
friend.
But today you didn't call to speak to me, macha. You called to speak to someone else.
I just called you for to
Prabhu,
speak with you only.
you're feeling ஒரே வெக்கமோட வருஃபைங் type. So say hello, Prabhu. Say hello.
Yeah.
Say hello to my.
Namita.
Prabhu, my கடவுளே.
ஐயோ
ஐயோ.
how are you?
I'm fine. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Yeah, நாங்க நல்லா இருக்கோம்.
அப்புறம் எங்க இருக்கீங்க நீங்க?
நாங்க இப்போ பெரம்பூர்ல இருக்கேன்.
பிரபு உங்க லைஃப் செட் ஆயிடுச்சுல
பெரம்பூர்ல
இவனா?
இருக்கேன்.
பிரபு
Yeah,
உங்க லைஃப் செட் ஆயிடுச்சுல இப்போ?
புரியல.
உங்க லைஃப் செட் ஆயிடுச்சுல? பிரபு என் கடவுள் சொல்லிட்டாங்க அவ்வளவுதான். நாளைக்கு ஸ்கூல்ல you are the hero.
எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
நான் பெரம்பூர்ல இருக்கேன்.
பெரும்பூர். எக்ஸாம்ஸ் டைம் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்ஸ் முடிச்சாச்சு.
நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
ஓ ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. சாரி உங்க வாய்ஸ் அது குழந்தை
You are
மாதிரி.
a young boy working. Okay, Prabhu, you have any questions?
Yeah, tell me.
You have any questions you want to ask Namita?
Nothing else, but she want to sing one song for me now.
I'll sing for you, but Macha, I don't know what song you want to hear.
Okay, Namita ma'am, may I know your native place? Can you tell me your native?
I'm from Gujarat, Surat.
Gujarat, Surat.
Yes.
Okay, you having brothers? How many brothers and sisters?
I have one elder brother. I'm the only daughter. I have a lot of
Okay.
cousin brothers as
Okay.
well.
And your hobby?
My hobby sports and dance, and I love to read, and I love to sleep, and I love to go for swimming, and I'm just complete athletic.
Okay, but you don't like the music, sir?
I love music, why not?
Because I
Dancing,
like the music,
music.
also.
Music, you know, I mean, either you sing or you dance, right? When you love music, so I dance. Ha.
But I like to play the music in drums only,
Come on, you're a drummer boy.
and keyboard.
Oh, you're a drummer boy?
Yeah.
You know, when I was in school, and in my school band, I was given that big round drum because I was the only one with
okay.
tuppi, so I could carry it very well.
You laugh at anything you say.
Okay. In school days, what's your rank?
My rank means in the class.
Yeah.
I'll tell you percentage wise, I was always hanging between 59 to 60%. That's it.
59 to.
No, 55 to 60. Sorry, 55 to 60.
Okay, okay.
I've never gone above that or I've never gone below that.
Which is
And
why
your UG?
Huh?
UG?
undergraduate.
Degree. I'm a English literature BA.
Oh, English literature BA.
Among
Okay.
Okay, now enough,
I'm
bacha.
doing MBA. Would
you want to
know
marry me or what? You're asking me so many questions. Now I'm asking you, do you know how to cook?
Do you know, Prabhu, do you know how to cook?
that? Yeah, I know how to cook also.
Do you know how to run to the store at 12 o'clock in the night and buy kadale?
No, not kadale, chocolate
No.
ice cream.
Chocolate
Namita
ice
ma'am, would you know to cook?
Who cooks?
Namita ma'am.
I don't know cooking, baby. There are two kind of people in the world. One who knows how to cook and one who helps what is cooked. I come in the second category.
And your favorite fruits or favorite music or favorite music or your favorite.
Or your favorite fruits or, you know, just your favorite music.
Okay, I tell you, I love Prabhu. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello?
Yeah, hi Craig.
Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Kadir.
Kadir, we're over here with the sizzling sirens. What? You sound very excited. Kadir?
No, like.
Why are you
who's there?
distracted when I'm here to distract you?
We've
Is it
got
Namita?
Yeah, this is Namita. So, Kadir, say hello.
Yeah, hi Namita.
Hi, Mr. Kadir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm a really a big time fan of you.
But then why are you not excited? Why do you sound so bored?
No, like.
As if you like some other
no,
heroine and
I'm
then by
really,
mistake you just want to
not
talk to
I'm
me.
much a silent guy.
You're a silent guy.
Yeah,
You're a
generally.
very silent
So, you
guy.
like to observe.
Yeah.
Oh, like serial killer.
Like that.
Exactly, Macha. Don't say exactly
I'm
like that.
scared. Please.
Kadir.
Kappa thinge.
Yeah, that is your typical Tamil, right, Namita? Like saying hi, macha.
Hi, macha.
Yeah, that was really, I love that actually. I have a couple of questions for you, Namita. Can I ask it?
Yes, please go ahead.
I see you like acting with Ajit and Vijay. I think Vijay also. How do you feel like acting with them? Like, how do you differentiate between both? Acting to them.
I mean, but why should I differentiate? Who am I to differentiate, you know?
No.
I'm an
I don't
actor.
mean, like,
I love to work with
differentiating.
all my
Do you
artists.
feel like acting with them both?
I mean, who doesn't want to work with them, you know? I'm ready to work with all possible heroes.
Okay.
Because I don't think anybody, I mean, I'm just an artist basically, and I want to just go and do my great job. And if there is opposite, if there is someone like Vijay sir who's great at dancing and like Ajit sir who's great at acting, well, it's my pleasure. I'm honored.
Okay, that's great. And another question is like, you have any desired characters to do?
Yeah, I basically like what all Sridevi has done in past. I really am inspired by her when it comes to acting or when it comes to comedy. I really enjoy watching Sridevi. So I would really want to do what all she has done, and especially in Hindi movies because I've seen all of her Hindi movies.
And I think that Sridevi is one of the few characters that actually could convert herself
Into anything.
into anything.
That's
Yeah,
what my motivation is towards that. But unfortunately, the way I wanted my career has not taken shape
It will
accordingly.
soon enough.
So I'm just waiting for such great characters.
Yeah, sure. We are hoping for the same too.
Thank you so
To
much.
see even some good characters.
Thank you so much, Kadir. Nice talking to you.
We're talking with VJ Namita. She's got the
That's my
honorary-
new job. I'm out of
No,
job.
VJ, why you not out of the job? I'm out of the job now. If she comes and does reach out, then no more Craig. Then be like, Namita madam, oh, okay.
Because you can't wear hot dresses.
Yeah, I know. I tried a spaghetti. I don't have the
You should have taken inspiration from Mandira Bedi.
the shoulders to wear spaghetti. All right, but here's what I wanted to ask you specifically. You did a movie recently. You played a lawyer.
Oh yeah, 1977.
What was it like to play a lawyer?
It was something different, but I'm a very glamorous lawyer. I know so many people called me and said, how can a lawyer be in a swimsuit when she's introduced?
Why not?
And I'm like, hello, this is 21st century, and most of all, she's in Malaysia. She's from Malaysia. She has a different culture altogether. She's from super royal rich family, so their lifestyle is entirely different. I said, so why can't a lawyer be glamorous, you know? So I enjoyed playing that character because this was my first movie with Dinesh. If people don't know, when I did the one particular sari ad, Dinesh was my director at that time. So Dinesh had me in his mind always when he thought about making a movie. And then me and Dinesh and me and Sharat sir, we got together and then we discussed and we had bunch of fun when we were in Malaysia.
I was told actually that you're not your typical kind of a heroine when you're on the set. You're professional when you need to be, but after that you're a complete and total prankster.
Yes, I am. When I'm on the set, I mean, really only my very few close friends know that I have a side which is completely naughty and funny, and I pull people's legs so much. But when I'm on the set, just be there on time, finish on time, do my dialogues properly, just very dedicated.
Okay. Well, what was the biggest prank you've ever pulled?
I have to think.
It
Quite
can be
many.
offset also, it can be with some friend sometime at any given point.
Yeah,
in time.
I
School,
just
college.
played a prank with someone. I forgot. Ayo, how can I?
So many pranks in her life.
So
she
many
forgets.
pranks I forgot. Really.
You should keep a diary. Today I pranked somebody.
Yeah, I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good. I
But
tried it.
but besides that, I think my friend called Rafi. I remember this very well because I remember laughing out so much. Now.
I can't remember it.
No, I remember it. It's a bit non-veg, no, then we can't say.
Yeah.
Chalo, anyway.
It's a family channel, non-veg jokes, so we're not going to go down that road.
No, but still, there is one more. Rafi is a guy with glasses, okay? And we went to Taj for dinner. Me, Rafi, Nitya, all four, five of us. And he ordered pastas. So, along with pasta, you get red chili flakes and some garnished cheese and all. So, when that plate came, he really thought that it's a saunf.
Okay.
He's like, Nami, is it so? Just see properly, the lighting is not proper. And I'm like, okay. And I said, okay, chili flake. I said, yeah, baby, it's soap. And then there was a small spoon. I said, why do you want small spoon? Have big spoon. No, and I gave him a big spoon. And I'm feeding him. He took a big bite and then he's like, I'm on fire.
Okay.
And he ran
Ladies
to
and
the
gentlemen,
washroom.
if you are Namita's friend, she will feed you a big spoonful of chili flakes.
Chili flakes and you will not know.
I got fed though, chili flakes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The worst thing I've ever done was my cousins had come down from Hyderabad. They'd never been to a Chinese restaurant before in their life. And they give you a finger bowl
joking.
before.
Yeah, so you
rice
told
bowl
them
with
it's to drink.
soup. So they're mixing the lime nicely, putting some salt
I remember.
and wiping them up.
I remember doing this. My bhabhi, my brother's wife, okay? This was the first time she traveled in the aircraft with me, and I directly took her to from Bombay to Chennai when she came. That time she said, "Didi, I'm very scared. You have to be with me." I said, "Okay." So as soon as the flight took off, I suddenly like came down in this position, you know, where you have to bend your head on your knee. She said, "What are you doing?" I said, "You have to do that because this is a rule."
Okay.
Oh, okay.
How long did you have
I said, just at least for 5 minutes until the plane is steady, you know, in the air. And she went on doing that. Then the stewardess is coming, "Madam, any problem?" So that is me.
Hello, Craig.
Yes, Mr. Bala.
Yes, I am Bala from Tirupur, Craig. How are you?
I am fine. Yes, I know you are Bala from Tirupur because I was informed.
Oh, sorry?
Don't worry, Mapla. Don't worry. All right, Bala.
Craig, tell.
Now we've got a wonderful guest over here sitting at the side of me.
Okay.
Okay, you have any idea who that person is?
Wonderful. Who is that?
Wonderful. Who is that? All right. Now I want to ask you one thing. Have you heard of a person called the Sizzling Siren of South India?
Sizzling. Oh, this Namita.
Ah.
This Namita, Moya.
Hi, Machan. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You call me Machan. Oh, I don't want any dinner.
Macha! My Macha!
Call enough for me, Namita. I don't want any dinner, any lunch, any breakfast. I forgot all.
You forgot.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கு, Namita. How are you?
I'm fine. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
I am doing my own business, T-shirt manufacturing in Tirupur.
What is it?
T-shirt manufacturing.
Oh wow, look at me. I don't have clothes. Please give me some.
Oh, you have some, no? You take up some.
Oh, sorry, Dinesh.
But Bala, what else?
So Bala, now here's the deal, okay? Bala,
Yes, great.
focus on me. Here is the plan, okay? What I'm going to do is me and Namita are going to come to your business in Tirupur.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. I'm welcome.
Thank you. And
I'm welcome.
we're going to
Always. My factory is always open for Namita.
for Namita. Thank you.
How can I come without Craig?
No, I'll be your PA. It's okay. I'll put glasses over
you
madam.
come.
I want Craig.
Okay, no, I have to come also. The company car. Okay, hello.
Correct, Namita?
Yes, so listen. So we're going to come there. How is Craig Namita?
Sorry, you come with Craig?
Listen.
Hello, Namita alone.
Purila.
புரியல எதுமே
Sorry,
புரியல.
Craig and Namita are coming to my factory?
Yes,
Yes.
we're going to come and take T-shirts for 1 year.
Yes.
So, I have only girls t-shirt. Sorry, Craig.
That's okay. I can dress up and look like Paloma. I'll wear a wig and all. I'll do ads, no problem.
Hi, Namita. What is your next project?
My new movie release called 1977. I think you should really watch it out because
Yes,
it's
really watched
amazing.
1977.
Yes,
all
watch
movies
that
of-
and after
only
that,
for Namita, I watch all these movies.
And after that, my movie called Indravida is going to release. Jagan Mohini will release very soon.
I'm waiting for that. I wait.
But right now, I just wanted to watch 1977 because we all have worked very hard, Bala, for you.
Yes, I will watch
Then-
it. Don't worry, Namita. I watch all films.
Okay, you watch all films, all the best. You want to dedicate a song to anyone, Bala?
I am dedicated to my sweet darling, my wife, Kalpana.
You're married, nahi?
I am married. Oh, sorry, I have to tell her.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I am
You
married.
just
My
broke
wife
my
name is
heart.
Kalpana.
I'm hurted.
One
I
year, no
have
problem.
one daughter, small daughter, 1 year baby.
1 year.
That's okay. I don't mind kids.
Josika name.
All right, so good. Jyotika is her name.
Josika, my daughter name is Josika.
I thought you name her Namita also. Next daughter Namita, okay?
Next daughter, okay, no.
No problem. All right.
No, sorry.
All right, we'll
No,
play.
no, he said no.
No.
Bala, very wrong. This is very wrong.
You're very scared, Bala.
No, daughter Namita.
Oh, you don't want to have. Are you understanding the double meaning in this whole element?
Amang, I'm hurted.
We've got the caller online. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Bindu.
Bindu.
Yes.
Bindu, I've got a person sitting here at the side of me who's.
Oh, really? Okay.
Okay. Bindu, you don't need to get overexcited. You don't even know that person's name.
Oh, okay.
Who is it?
Who might this be?
Who might this be? You have no idea.
No, I'm not that sure.
Are you trying to tell me that Satish never told you? Satish, நீங்க சொன்னீங்களா சொல்லலையா?
Satish, you கெட்டவன்.
You கெட்டவன்.
You கஜினி.
நீ இனிமே நீங்க வாரணம் மரம் கிடையாது.
நல்லா திட்டுங்க. Hi, Namita.
Hi, Bindu. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. What do you do?
I'm in the 10th standard.
Sorry?
10th
I'm
standard.
in the 10th standard.
And you just finished or you're starting your exams?
No, our exams are going on. I've got Hindi on Monday.
Ayyayyo.
Hindi.
Adha
Kabir
kuda
ke dohe.
Hindi. Ayyayyo.
Let's not talk about that. Huh?
Let's
Oh
not talk
yes,
about
let's not talk about it.
I-
We are
I-
on SS Music with Namita and the Craig.
Yes.
Urlakalin.
I'm a big fan of both of you. So
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
All right, now Bindu,
yes.
I want to ask you one question. Just
Sure,
one
please
question
go
about
ahead.
Hindi, and then we can move on because Namita's from Surat and all.
Oh dear God.
I have to
Okay.
catch a train.
No, this is the only question. Do
Okay,
you
fine.
think that it is that you can mug up the Kabir ke dohes?
Kabir ke dohe, and I think I know one of those.
You know one of those?
I
Yes.
might.
I have no idea. Do you know any Kabir? Ke
Yeah, Rama Sant, something I remember.
That's a
There's
perfect
something,
memory here, Rabi.
I'm not sure if it's Kabir, but Kal kare so aaj kare so ab.
Up kar. I thought that was Gandhi ji.
Clap hands, ladies and gentlemen. 10th standard,
Awesome.
10th standard geniuses. Me and Namita, we are. All I know is Lali Bere, Lal Lal, Tum Lal,
It's all
Holi
the
Lal.
same concept, okay?
Rang
You can't
Lal.
blame her.
Okay, anyway, let's now we'll move on since we've embarrassed ourselves enough. All Hindi teachers everywhere are going to be going, Chi!
Oh, we get enough of that in class already. I don't think we need more.
Yeah, I will tell you about it. All right, so I'll tell you what. You want to ask Namita a question?
Sure, I've got this huge list. May I?
Yeah, of course.
Please start. Fire.
Okay, number
Where-
one, huge fan of whatever you do. I mean, you're one thing that I really like, and I think lots of people all over the entire state love is your courage.
I mean, you barely know the language and you came here and you just don't give up. I mean, my mom speaks Tamil exactly the same way you do.
Really?
Yeah, so,
Oh.
I mean, people make fun of like hell of her, but everyone is just, because you do it in front of so many people. I mean, what's the experience like?
Well, in the beginning, I started it when I was invited for so many functions for audio launch or something, and they call me on the stage and they say something in Tamil, and I mug up something what I've heard from other people, when they talk, when I overhear something. That time I started speaking like that. Then I tried after that I started asking people around me who are Tamil, and I'm like, if I want to say how are you, how do I say, and then they say ninge eppadi irkinge. And then I just started chatting, and that's how I learned basically.
That's great. Yeah, that's one thing that everyone likes. Another question I have is,
Yeah.
the whole size 0 controversy that's been going on?
Oh, thanks for asking me. Yeah, I love that question. Tell me.
I mean, with Kareena and Tashan and, generally Hollywood basically invading our entire country.
Yeah.
Has there ever been any sort of a bias against you in the Tamil film?
Yeah, there are a lot of people who don't like me. They call me. I personally feel in today's world one has to be toned, but unfortunately I'm a bit overweight even now. I consider myself to be 6 to 7 kilos overweight right now. I'm working on the way. Last few of my movies, if you see, I look pathetic. I hate myself in few movies.
Come on. Okay, maybe.
No, I'm not comparing myself to anybody.
Wait. I can solve this.
And what?
Wait,
no.
before you finish. Wait.
Why mode?
Wait. So.
You why mode? No, you know what, Bindu? Did you see in December there was a list of Google the most searched people?
Yes, I
The
did.
most searched was Katrina Kaif, and second was me.
Wow,
And believe
okay,
me,
I didn't know that.
I was in a shock. And then I realized that why Katrina and me, we were the most Googled. Not only because we are actors, but because we are voluptuous. None of those single skinny babes were ever on the search
exactly.
1 to 10 list also,
That's-
So what I mean to say, I'm very proud of my body. All I have to do is just go work out more. Maybe I've just started my new diet and I have to tone it up.
Oh wow,
But,
what's your regime? I mean, I think lots of people would like to know that.
yeah, nothing, just I've turned vegetarian. That's the biggest change.
Oh, okay.
And, I've saved so many chickens' life now. So that is the biggest thing. So I'm very proud of my body. I'm just working towards shedding some more extra fat.
That's
it.
great.